Lauren here. Today, we're going to explore how to temporarily log in to your Google Drive or OneDrive to access your files. From the whiteboard, you're going to locate the little mannequin head on the bottom right-hand corner of your screen just above your settings wheel. When you tap on it, a few things will pop up. You will see the Google Drive and OneDrive options here. Choose whichever one applies for your district or company. In this case, I'm going to log into my Google Drive. I can scan the QR code with a device, or I can tap on Sign In here on the panel. I'm going to choose to log in with a QR code just to make it more private for me as I put in my password in front of my students or meeting group. Once I'm signed in, you will see my name pop up here, notifying me that I'm logged into my Google account. The other thing you will see is on the bottom left, next to your compass, you now have a folder with a cloud. That is where you can access your materials from your Google Drive or OneDrive. By simply tapping on the folder, all of my files will pop up here. Now, I can locate the file I'd like to add, and by simply tapping on the file and the plus sign here in blue, it's going to import the file into my whiteboard. I can, of course, use all of my annotation tools right on top of this, just like normal, and take notes to the side as well. When I'm finished, I can save this document directly to my drive as well. Utilizing the QR code on the bottom left, I'm simply going to tap on that, choose which pages, if you do not want all of them, you'd like to export. In this case, I'll just do the worksheet. And then on the bottom, you can export it as a PNG, JPEG, or PDF. I always choose PDF, but whatever works for you works for me. Then simply click on the blue export button here. This will bring up a few options. You will see a QR code, and then you'll see your typical USB and share drive that we featured in other videos. The new line here is Save to Google Drive. Because I've temporarily logged into my account, I can now click on Save to Google Drive, and you will see Documents Saved Successfully. Now that document with my notes has been saved directly back to my Google Drive. To sign out, you're simply going to locate that same mannequin head over here on the bottom right-hand corner, tap on it, and simply click on Sign Out. It will ask you if you'd like to export your files before you sign out. When you're finished, simply click Sign Out, and now I'm signed out of my temporary login. Hope this helps, and we'll see you next time.